Hey guys, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you exactly how you can add multiple products, like 20 to 50 products at once, without you have to go over to your WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website. So click on Add a New Product. So this method is kind of very slow because you are going to enter the product name in the product description. You're going to upload the image, like choose the product URL, upload the images, the tag, different thing about the product, which are time consuming, and it's going to waste a lot of your time. So I'm going to be showing you exactly, I can add multiple products from other platform. Maybe you have a shop on a Shopify. You actually want to import all your products directly to your WordPress website, which is Woocommerce website. So ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end because it's going to be a step-by-step tutorial on exactly how you can do that. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to use a website. So it's not our website, but we are just using it for some example. So we are going to import most of the product on this website to our Woocommerce website to show you exactly how you can upload or add multiple products on a Woocommerce website. So it's very simple and very straightforward, which is the website name is called bminera.com. It's a popular beauty brand or skincare brand, so we are going to be actually importing their products to our WordPress website. So for you to do this is very simple, but it's going to cost us a little bit amount of money. We are going to need a plugin, which is called Shop to Woo plugin. So this particular plugin is a WordPress plugin that allows you to import all your products from Shopify to WooCommerce. And one good thing about this particular method is the fact that it's very simple. Instead of using the traditional way of using CSV file, which take a lot of time, and it's going to waste your time because you're going to ensure that the product tag matches the product image. Matches is like different thing about every information about product matches. But this particular plugin will actually allow you to import your product using JSON file. So this JSON file will just download all the products. If you have 1,000 products, it's going to download all the product directly to your laptop, and you're going to import it directly to your WooCommerce website. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So the first method is to export your product from Shopify as a JSON file. So the second method is to connect your REST API key, which I've showed you in the previous video. If you have not seen the video, ensure you check the description below. I'll actually drop the video for you to watch to set up your API key. Then the last method is to actually start importing your product to your WooCommerce website. So let's start. So the first thing is to click on Get Started. So you are going to click on Get Started to actually get this particular plugin, which is very affordable. So the plugin is going to cost you just $19.99 instead of you just paying $69 from other alternative. So it's very simple. All you have to do is to click on it, buy this plugin, click on Buy Plugin, and you place another for this plugin. I've already gotten this plugin, so you can pay with your credit card, you can pay with PayPal, depending on your payment method that you actually want to use. So I've already gotten this plugin. So this is the plugin, which is Shop To, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can start using this particular plugin. So the first thing is to go over to your WordPress dashboard. I know that you already install your WooCommerce. It's very simple and very straightforward. Then you are going to locate plugin from this session. You're going to locate plugin. So this is plugin, then add a new plugin. Click on Add a New Plugin to install your Shop to Woo plugin on your website. Then click on Upload the plugin. Then choose the plugin you actually want to install. So obviously I've already installed this plugin, so I'm going to be skipping the method of you trying to set up your WooCommerce recipe API key because I've already done that in the video. So ensure you check the video description for you to see how it is being done. So the thing I'm going to do now is to go over to the plugin. This is the Shop To plugin. Then click on it to show you exactly the process and what you're supposed to do to actually start importing your product. So I'm going to click on How to Use to get the right information. So as you can see, the first method is to connect your Shop To plugin with your REST API key, which you can actually find the video inside the video description. So the second thing you're supposed to do is to copy this particular URL. So copy this particular URL, copy it. So copy, then paste it in another browser. So as you can see, this is the URL we have copied. Then come over to the particular store you actually want to download. So you have to download all the products from this store. So we're going to copy this particular URL. But ensure that any product, any store you actually want to download is a Shopify store because you can't work on other store except Shopping Shopify store. So I'm going to copy the URL of the store, then come over to this place, come over to the URL. So I'm going to actually change. I'm going to change the URL to the URL we copied. Then I'm going to click on enter. Click on enter to start fetching all the products that's available on this store. So as you can see, these are all the products available on BM. So I have to make sure that the data is actually formatted correctly. So click on Pretty Print. So click on Pretty Print, then click on Control X to save this product as a JSON file. So we're going to name the products. Let's name it W, or any name you actually have intention of naming it. Then click on Save. So we successfully download all the products available on this website. The product we downloaded is in JSON file, and it has been added to our laptop. So the next thing we're supposed to do now is to actually import this product directly to our WooCommerce website. So we can add multiple products using this method. So go over to our Shop tool, plugin. So I'm going to go over to it, then click on Import over here, then choose the file. So we downloaded the file from Shopify file, from the store that is hosted on Shopify file. So we are going to choose the file over here. Click on Choose a File. So we're going to choose the file. So this is the file we downloaded recently. Click on it, then Open. So over here, what we are going to do is to start fetching. So we are going to fetch the products available on PM Mineral. So let's start fetching. So one important thing to notice, some stock can have up to 1,000 products, 20,000 products. So if you want to import all the products once and images, it might take you longer period of time. So this is why it's asking, do you want to import all the product images? If you want to put out images, you're going to click on yes. If you actually want all the just the product title and description, which is going to be much faster, you are going to click on no. We actually want the product images because there's the purpose of we getting this plugin. So we are going to look on yes. So, and as you can see, swap to who we get to work and start fetching all the products that is available on this platform, which is called BM Mineral. So as you can see, we have all the products available. So if you check, there are almost 169 products available on UMB and Monera that we can easily import to our WooCommerce website and start selling them as affiliates. So over here, these are the products. As you can see, there are several products which are around 169 products. So these are all the products. So one important thing that you have to notice, you can import all these products once, and it's going to be added to your WooCommerce website, but it's going to take you longer period of time. And if you don't have a boot hosting, it might crash at the long run. So it is more advisable that you should import this product one by one. It will not actually slow down your server and make sure that website crash. So I will actually encourage you do it one. So I'm going to click on this particular one, which is Original Mineral Val. So let's see if it's going to import the product directly to our WooCommerce store. So I'm going to click on Import, and let's check the product log to see if it's going to import. So it has fetches correctly. So let's see if it's going to import it directly to our WooCommerce. So I want good thing about this particular shop to plugin is the fact that it's going to import the product image, product tag, product catalog, and different that is available on the store on this particular store, which is BM Mineral Store. So as we are waiting, so it's going to do its work. As you can see, it has been imported to our store successfully. Imported. So for us to confirm this particular information, this is the product that has been imported. So let me go over to our WooCommerce store in another tab. So I'm going to go over to it. So as you can see, this is our admin dashboard. Then we are going to locate Shop to Woo to find if this product has been imported correctly or not. So let's locate our WooCommerce. So this is our WooCommerce. Then products, let's find all products that is being added to this store. So as you can see, this is the product Original Mineral View. So let's click on it to show you that it has been imported. As you can see, the product is in stock. Every information that is available on that particular website you are trying to import is going to be here automatically. So, and if you want SEO purpose, it's going to actually make sure that it maintain your pattern, like your URL pattern. If you are the owner of the store, on Shopify is going to maintain your URL pattern and ensure that you continue ranking on WooCommerce. So as you can see, it's import the image, it imports the product description or the product description available. So, and also, if you check if you have short description, it's going to also import it. And also if the products have, like, as you can see, the product actually have images. So this is the first images, like the feature images, and also have product images, which are majorly all other images that's available on the store. So these are images that this shop to actually import. So with this method, you can be able to add multiple products to your WooCommerce website. It's very simple and very straightforward. So I hope this video actually helped you out. So if you want to get Shop to Woo, I'm going to drop the link inside the video description for you to try it out to see if it's going to help you to add multiple products to your WooCommerce. Thanks for watching today's video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.